Hi guys, my name is Snow White. This is Snow White. So cute. Sasayaw tayo, Yumi. Yumi Snow. This is the sixth member of the Yumi. Snow White. She's playing already. Okay. My usual afternoon coffee again. Coffee is life. So, hi guys. I'm just resting here in our room and I'm drinking my coffee. And I actually have planned to write novel, but I'm still lack of ideas. That's why I used to write a novel for now. But later, maybe later I will write. I don't know if I will write a plan for my story or I will proceed to the chapter or to the scenes that I wanna write. Guys, I can't believe that it's already June. We're here at the middle of the year this year, and oh my gosh, we're actually close to the Christmas again. But that's actually almost June, July, August, September, October, almost 6 months before the Christmas. Oh my gosh, we will celebrate the Christmas again. Well, before Christmas, classes of this year is waiving actually. Oh, there's have a cockroach here. Oh, oh my gosh, don't come to me. I'm scared of the cockroach actually. I can't really touch that. Even the spider, I'm scared in that big spider. I don't wanna touch that big spider and even the cockroach. I don't wanna touch that or I don't want them to come closer to me. We're not busy for today. We're just okay. We have a time to relax for a while, and then tomorrow we have another work again. We actually extra to the tailoring shop near in our house as a repacking and trimmer of the uniform and PE uniform. Oh, I'm sorry because I'm not really skilled in speaking English, so my speaking in English isn't super fluent like that. The rain is not around. The rain is what? It will not rain. The sky is clear and I don't think so that it will rain because the sky is so bright. We're actually It's already 4:19 p.m. and I hope it will not rain again because that was my always pray not to rain, especially during the midnight because here this area is actually have always the water from the canal is always entering there. I don't know how to express that in English, but I still give myself a best to explain it in English. So even it's very hard for me to express my words in English. I still do my best to learn in it and to express my my words in English. These areas are actually something like bedroom, but we don't have bed here because we just have only foam, and then that's plywoods as our higaan, and this is our sleeping area. Am I right? Sleeping area. And this, every time it's raining, the water from the canal always, it's something like there's a leak in the part. I don't know why, because I don't know. I can't explain that properly. Oh my gosh, my microphone is low bat. I didn't notice it that it's already low bat, and I'm still, I keep speaking in my camera, but I didn't notice that my microphone that I used is already low bat. So I'm gonna charge it now. Hey everyone! It's a rainy day again. And my mother is asking me who's I'm talking about on my phone, but my gosh, they are not still using me that I always vlog. I'm always doing my vlog. Picture tayo, picture. Dali. Tingin ka sa camera. Yan, tingin. Picture tayo na maayos dito. Tingin ka doon. Tingin ka dito. Cute. I have a baby here. It's orange baby. Kahit pinaglalaroan ko na siya, ayaw umalis, oh. Ala, anong sardinas yung tinahan ni ate? Ano ba yun? Wala sila nung corned beef. Ay, nung biniling na nasa lata. Ay, tingnan natin kung may tuyo. Ay, hindi pala. Ano yun? Tutubo? Sabi ba yan? Hi guys, um, it's Saturday evening and we're I'm just I'm just taking a rest because we're actually came at Kai Mall earlier afternoon to claim the rice from the rice subsidy, a program here in our barangay. And well, actually, we're so glad that we claimed 10 kilos of rice. We thought that we didn't claim that because we're actually didn't receive a text message from the rice subsidy like that. And yeah, but we're so glad that we actually claimed that rice. Gusto kong magkape. I want to drink a coffee, but we don't have coffee right now. And yeah, well, actually, we will having a dinner later because it's already 7:03 p.m. My sister is busy. Um she will cook their ulam for their dinner tonight. Actually, it's already evening. So this evening, she's actually making their dinner. Look at my clothes that I wore. This I'm happy that my weight is like I lose some of my weight from 60. I think my weight already now is actually 58 or 56. From 60 to 56, I lost 4 kilos. That's why I can wear the fitted dress, but actually my belly fat is still here. I still have a belly. I still have a belly fat, but is not so huge, something like that, just like before. So by the grace of God, I already lose my weight. At least I lose my weight by the grace of God. I didn't achieve it if I wasn't as a guidance for our Lord. He's He's actually helps me to lose some of my weight. And yeah, I actually often ask guidance for God for every plan or every decision that I made. That's all for today, or that's all for this evening. Bye.